Welcome to the InfoBrokerWorld podcast, where business intelligence meets global strategy, empowering entrepreneurs with the insights they need to stay ahead.
Registering a trademark is only the beginning. To truly protect a brand, businesses must maintain their registrations and file required documents on time. This isn't just legal housekeeping, it's a critical part of safeguarding brand equity, avoiding costly disputes, and preserving consumer trust. At the heart of trademark law is the principle of use it or lose it. In most jurisdictions, rights are only secure if the mark is genuinely used in commerce. The law doesn't allow trademarks to be warehoused for some potential future purpose. If a brand owner can't prove continuous use, the registration can be canceled, leaving the brand exposed. That's why periodic filings are essential. In the US, for example, trademark owners must submit a declaration of use between the 5th and 6th year of registration, supported by real-world evidence like product packaging, website screenshots, or invoices. Every 10 years, renewal applications are due. An optional filing, the declaration of incontestability, can be made after 5 years of continuous use, strengthening the mark and making it harder for competitors to challenge. Missing these deadlines can mean losing rights entirely, sometimes without any grace period. But maintenance isn't just about compliance. It brings real strategic advantages. Ongoing monitoring and timely filings prevent dilution, where a mark loses distinctiveness over time. They allow early detection of potential conflicts, so companies can act with a simple cease and desist letter rather than a lawsuit. They protect reputation by stopping misuse or counterfeiting before it harms consumer trust. And they send a clear message to competitors. This brand is actively defended. Maintained trademarks also provide insights into the market. By tracking new filings globally, businesses can spot competitors' moves, discover emerging trends, and anticipate shifts in consumer demand. In international contexts, monitoring is especially vital. Systems like the Madrid Protocol or the EU trademark offer centralized filings, but they still require vigilance. Provisional refusals or local oppositions can arise at any time. Given the sheer volume of data worldwide, manual monitoring is no longer enough. Artificial intelligence is transforming this work. AI systems scan online platforms, e-commerce sites, social media, and registries in real time across multiple languages. They don't just find identical matches, they detect lookalikes, soundalikes, and conceptual similarities. They automatically gather evidence, prioritize high-risk cases, and even forecast future conflicts. This makes monitoring faster, cheaper, and more precise. The bottom line is clear. Maintaining and monitoring trademarks is not a bureaucratic chore. It's a strategic investment. It keeps brands strong, reduces legal and financial risk, and ensures that consumers continue to associate a name or logo with authenticity and quality. Supported by modern AI tools and expert legal guidance, it turns intellectual property from a vulnerability into one of the most resilient assets a business can own.
Thank you for listening to the InfoBrokerWorld podcast. If you have any questions about today's topic, feel free to reach out via the contact details in the show notes. This podcast was created using AI tools. If you're interested in producing your own AI-driven podcast, from concept to audio, feel free to get in touch. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay informed and stay ahead.